Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. We were discussing about the chapter animals and their senses. So like human beings, animals also have a sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of taste and sense of smell. Now if we see that insects, they have special body parts so that they can feel the world around them. Now let us talk about land animals. Land animals means the animals that are found on the land. They can easily survive on the land. So in land animals, the sense organs are same like that of human beings. Like they have eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell and tongue to taste. So in the same way as we have our sense organs, mostly the land animals also have. But in some animals, these sense organs are much developed. They are very special. They are very sensitive compared to other animals. So let us see how different animals have different sense organs in them. Or we can say are more sensible to some of the senses compared to other animals. If we see dog can easily sense the presence of food or any food. It's because they have very sharp sense of smell. So with the help of their sense of smell, they can easily find out their food. If you see the sniffer dogs, they are used by the police for searching for the criminals. So you might have observed with the police there will be some dogs like Doberman and all. And these dogs, they help the police with the help of their sense of smell so that they can easily catch the thieves or any other criminals. So these dogs, they are very helpful and they help the policemen. So how this happens? Only because they have very sharp sense of smell. Same way, if you see rats have very poor eyesight, but they have very strong sense of taste, then smell and even sound. So though they have very small ears, but they have very sensitive ears, very sharp. So their hearing is very sharp, their smelling sense is very sharp, and even their taste is very sharp. So that is the reason wherever we will keep our food, the rats can attack them very easily. Same way if we see snakes have very poor eyesight, but they have very strong sense of smell and taste. Do you know one thing? The snakes, they have very poor hearing. Their hearing is also very poor. Have you ever noticed the snake dancing on the tune of the snake charmer? What do you think? The snake is listening and dancing? That is a fake. It's totally wrong. The snake, they senses through the vibrations on the ground. You have always noticed the snakes mostly on the grounds, walls, trees and all. Okay, so they sense the vibrations that is getting produced, and when he see the charmer, actually he is just following the movement of that bean. The snake charmers, they used to move the bean and the snakes looks like dancing. They are just following the bean, that's all. They don't know what they are listening, whatever the tune they are making or producing. The snakes, actually they don't know because they have very poor hearing and eyesight also. So just they know that something he is moving around and they are following and they are getting trained already for that. So a charmer cannot do these acts with a normal snake. That snake is properly tamed for that, trained for that. So These are the snakes, so they have very sharp sense of smell. Since the snakes can easily sense whenever there is any small animals, they feed on the small animals, right? So they can easily sense and they can catch their food. Same way, if you see the scavengers, these are the animals that mostly they fed on the dead animals. So they have very sharp sense of smell, so that they can sense the dead animals and they feed. So the scavengers like hawk, fox and all other animals that are present mostly in the forests and all, they can easily sense the smell of the dead animals and they feed on them. That is their food. And you know one thing about scavengers? They are the friends of the environment, because after feeding on the dead animals, they protect the environment from the different types of diseases that can spread from these dead animals. So really, scavengers, they are like our friends only. Same way, if you see a bat, bats, they also have very poor eyesight, but they have very strong sense of smell, and even in the night time they can fly very easily. Second thing, the bats, they have very strong hearing. The bats can hear the sound of very high frequency. Even as a human being, we cannot tolerate that much high frequency, that much high sound, but the bats, they are capable of hearing that much high frequency. So again, bats have this special feature. If you see a cat, they have whiskers. So these whiskers, they help the cat to know about its surrounding, to sense the presence of the things around it, and it has very sharp sense of sight. The cats, they can even see during the night time also very clearly without any confusion. So we have seen, students, that different animals, they have different sense organs that are very active compared to other animals. And like I told you, these senses help them to either search for their food or to attack their enemies, or protect from their enemies. So one thing, either to attack on their food or to protect them from their enemies. So all these land animals, they have very special senses. Now what about the other animals, like birds or the animals that live in water? That we will discuss in our next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy.